Hello, welcome to Fairy's Kitchen. Tonight's recipe is spicy chicken wings with chili and lime. That's pretty easy. I'll just go through the ingredients with you right now. Thank you. Okay, here are all the ingredients. I'll just start from the chili. I use 2 small chilies and I seeded them and chopped them up really fine. You can adjust that up or down depending on how much heat you would like. 1 tablespoon of good olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 cloves of garlic chopped up quite fine, and 1 teaspoon of caster sugar, 1 lime, and I've got 8 chicken wings. I'll just show you how I break them up. I normally just cut the tip off, get rid of the tip, and then cut through the joint. You don't have to, you can leave the tip on if you like. Okay, that's them all done. Right, so basically you just mix all the ingredients in the bowl. So chili, olive oil, fish sauce, garlic, and the sugar. Then we add the chicken. Just stir it around as we go. Probably could have used a bigger bowl, but that's okay. I normally marinate it for at least 2 to 3 hours. You can marinate it overnight as well if you really need to or want to. And that's pretty much it there. And then we save the lime to squeeze over once you've cooked it. There we go. Okay, once the chicken's marinated, we're ready to cook. I've cooked this recipe on barbecue, in a pan, and also on charcoal, and it works out quite nice each way, but I'm going to cook it in a pan this time. If you don't have one of these, you really should. They're a non-stick cooking sheet, and it just saves you using as much oil, and it's also good when you are using a marinated chicken or any cut of meat. It just saves your pan getting all gummed up. Very easy to clean. Okay, so we'll just put the chicken in. I might even cook this in 2 batches. Split in half. There we go. And once again, you just cook it until the chicken's cooked all the way through and you're happy with it, and then we'll get it ready to serve after that. Okay, once cooked, we just pop them in a bowl. Okay, all done. And just give them a squeeze of lime juice. And if you're not a fan of lime juice, you can actually use lemon juice as well. It really doesn't matter. At a barbecue, on a barbecue, you'll struggle to keep up because they'll eat them as soon as they're cooked. Enjoy.